So I'm leaving the old studio on Saturday. It's freaking dead around here on a Saturday. No one at the studio, none of my apprentices are here. And there's no one at Master Muffler, my neighbors. These guys are pretty sweet. So it's almost 6 o'clock and I'm headed out for the day. I just finished working on my roof rack in the van. So I'm pretty excited, but I wanted to show you guys what I did last week. Sorry, I'm all wobbly. And on my new van, I love this van. It's so freaking cool. I highly recommend this to any artist. As you all know, I put that window in some time ago, but I should probably unlock it. That would be a good idea. So I put in, these are my seats that I put in my platform in case you guys haven't seen that. I put in that window. Yeah! And I also put in the sound deadener stuff, the silver stuff. This is all, a lot of the equipment, my heater, batteries, gas tank, another fan, and my toilet. Shh, don't tell anybody. And then a fan that I already installed. But I got so much more stuff than this in my studio, right there. But I just brought this stuff in here so I could kind of get a feel of where to put it in the van. So this is the way the van looks, or the windows look on the other side. Isn't that nice? It was actually really tough to install because I only have to cut a big old hole in my van, but this company, it's supposed to be a freaking sweet company. They made these two windows not fit together. They're supposed to be designed to fit together, but I'll drop in some pictures to show you what I'm talking about. But I had to, this line right here, it's just a little bit of a bump right there. And then it's pretty flush here. I mean, now I think it looks pretty sick, but when I first did it, when I first installed the second window, this window was like a ½ inch further out. So I had to pull it out, strip off all the weather strip, and anyway, it's hard to explain. I had to file it down a little bit, and then I had to take this window off. Hey, that's me. Oops. Then I had to take that window off, and I had to bring it out a little bit and float it with adhesive to bring it out about, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch or so. And then once I was done with that, I realized that the second window had a little more of a curve in it. So even though the bottom and top corners are flush, there's just a slight curve. So that is it for the van. Goodbye studio until Monday. And keep following and subscribe. Later. Goodbye studio! I love you! See you Monday!